This video tutorial I will cover ofInstant method of LocalDateTime class. Here I have defined the class LocalDateTime I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am calling now method of instant class, which returns instant object. Then I am calling system default method of zone_id class, which returns zone_id object. Then I am calling ofInstant method of LocalDateTime class and passing instant and zone_id objects. This method returns local datetime object. Here you can see the output.